fellow South Sudanese, I think we have seen what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday didn't just happen by coincidence. It was God. It was God trying to communicate to the people of South Sudan. It was God trying to warn the people of South Sudan. God sent us or gave us a missed call yesterday because God is angered. God is not happy. He's so angry about the things that are being done in South Sudan. For that case, he's warning, or he has warned us about the impending phenomenon which is going to happen. I heard there was one guy who was talking. He's trying so hard to stop Dr. Riek Machar from becoming the president of the Republic of South Sudan. And for your information, how Dr. Riek Machar is going to come to power, it's the very same way. What happened yesterday? Did you do anything about the yesterday incident? Did you try to stop it? Did you stop it? Did you do anything about it? And are you still trying to do something about it right now? Because it is flooding. It was flooded everywhere. It rained cats and dogs yesterday. Did you do anything? Did you stop it? Did you know it was going to come? Did you know it was going to rain like that? Did you know there was going to be a downpour? Did you know? And did you know, was it going to be like that? Water is going to be everywhere? No, you didn't know that. So for your information, you are bragging, saying that you are going to stop the Riek Machar from becoming the president of the Republic of South Sudan, or you are going to do whatever it's going to take for you to make sure that Dr. Riek Machar is not going to be the president of the Republic of South Sudan. And for your information, God is not happy because the very person who worked so hard for us to have what we call South Sudan now, we don't like him. Some individuals, they don't want to see him. Some individuals, they don't want to see him leading. Some individuals, they don't want to see him becoming the president of the Republic of South Sudan. For that case, God is not happy. It's like a son telling his father that he doesn't want him in his own home. It's like that. And it's like this. The people enjoy the meal of the cow, but they don't like the person who bought the cow. It's the very same thing. Can you still continue enjoying the meal of the cow and you don't like the person who bought it? No. So for that case, God is not happy. God warned us yesterday. He's not happy. The lurers, the bastard humans in South Sudan who are working so hard to eliminate Dr. Riek Machar, and is the very person we have in what we are proud of now, which is called South Sudan. And you are saying proudly you don't want him, or you don't want to lead, you don't want to see him lead. He's going to be the president of the Republic of South Sudan. There's nothing that you are going to do about that. And you are going to see him leading. And for your information, you are going to be among the people who are going to chant Viva, Viva, Viva heavyweight. You will be the very first person who is going to love him. He's going to be the president. Our country has collapsed. If you are still doubting, did you see? It was flooded everywhere. Water everywhere. Even the cars, it was blowing away the cars. Let's not talk about homes and this one, small things. Flooded everywhere. Flooded. The whole city flooded. Be ready for the new president of the Republic of South Sudan. The last trumpet is coming. What happened yesterday, it was just a missed call. A missed call from God. It didn't just happen by coincidence. God is not happy. God is not happy because Dr. Riek Machar, the father of the nation, is being mistreated. He's being mistreated, and he's the owner of the home. He's the owner. And we are saying we don't want him. And we are planning to kill him. Are we fucking serious about that? No. So God is not happy for that. If you still think, or you still don't know what happened yesterday, it was a message from God. warning us about the impending phenomenon. And be ready for that. And be ready for a new president in the Republic of South Sudan. And that new president is going to be the one who's going to transform our country into the paradise on earth, into the heaven on earth, into the country that we normally yearn or that we normally wish to live in, South Sudan.